In today's video, I'm going to show you how I updated this builder grade bathroom. It's finally time to update the fishy bath to be more modern. The bathroom has builder grade vanity, mirror, and lighting. The floor tiles are okay, but I'm not really a fan of the color. The bathroom is functional as it is, but I'm really excited to make it more modern and more my style. And then this is the colors that I'm going for. So we've got this flooring that'll go in. We've got black hardware, black faucet, these pictures have got some dark greens and blues, and then these are the colors. So these two colors are going to be on the wall, this will be on the board and batten, and this will be on the rest of the walls, and then this is going to be the color for the vanity cabinet. I started by removing all of the pictures and the bathroom hardware, including the light switches and light covers. I spackled all of the holes and sanded them down smooth. I then removed the baseboards along the main wall where I will be putting in board and batten. I'm really excited to make a board and batten wall to be the main feature of this bathroom. I've never done a board and batten wall before, so this will be really fun for me to do. After removing the baseboards throughout the bathroom, it was time to start laying the luxury vinyl plank flooring. This was my first time doing flooring, so I wasn't really sure what I was doing, but I definitely learned a lot from doing this. I'm laying the flooring right over the tile, which turned out okay, but because the tile grout is kind of wide, I should have probably filled in the grout so that the flooring was completely level. I struggled with making these custom cuts around the vent, but I was finally able to get the cuts that I needed. I didn't have all of the tools I really should have had, but I was still able to make it work. I also ended up having to remove the door and trim off about 1/4 of an inch so that the door was able to clear the flooring and the rug, but overall I think the flooring turned out great. Next was the part that I was most excited about, the board and batten wall. I used 1x4 trim as the baseboard and added quarter round molding. I used the same 1x4s for the board and batten, and I calculated the distance needed between each board to make sure that the boards were evenly spaced. I secured the boards to the wall using construction adhesive and brad nails, and each time that I put a new board on the wall with the construction adhesive, I measured the tops and the bottoms to make sure that they were evenly spaced before I secured them with the brad nails. Using the same 1x4 boards, I laid the horizontal boards above the vertical ones. After all of the boards were secured to the wall with brad nails, I caulked all of the seams using paintable caulk. This ensures a seamless transition between the board and the walls since everything isn't exactly flush and level, so the caulking really helps to blend everything together. Once that was done, I added a 1x2 trim piece at the top of the board and batten, again securing it to the boards with brad nails. I measured and cut each piece individually to make sure that it fit perfectly. I hadn't quite yet mastered the use of a miter saw, so I cut all of the boards using a manual miter box. After the boards were all secured with brad nails and the seams caulked, I painted all of the wall. The board and batten are painted in the color Grand Prix, and the rest of the walls are painted in the color Perfect Backdrop. I also painted the cabinets in the color Shark Fin using Valspar cabinet paint and added these cabinet pulls. I then replaced the faucets with these black faucets, and I replaced the builder grade light fixtures with these modern lights. I created a faux frame for the mirror using this gray trim that I cut to the exact measurements to frame the mirror, and I secured the trim to the mirror using construction adhesive. And now it's time for the final touches in this bathroom. I installed these shelves and styled them with some cute decor, and I installed a black shower curtain rod and hung up a new shower curtain and towel hook. As a reminder, here is where the fishy bath started. Nothing wrong with this bathroom functionally, but the style and decor in here was meant for a kid. And since we don't have any children, I wanted this bathroom to be modern and sophisticated for our guests when they come and stay with us. I think that this bathroom looks so amazing, and I'm so excited with how it turned out, and I hope that our guests really enjoy using this bathroom. Let me know what you think about this makeover down below. And thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video. I really hope that you enjoyed this video as much as I enjoyed putting this entire bathroom together. I absolutely love it. Thanks for watching, guys.